Hello everyone, welcome to the Trackers. My name is Kavita Garg and I am working as Senior IELTS Trainer with this institute. So today we'll discuss about writing module. As you all know, there are two parts of writing module. One is task 1 and the other is task 2. So today we'll discuss about task 1. So we get 20 minutes to attempt task 1. The most important thing, we need to take care of our word limit, that is 150. We can increase it up to 175, though we do not have any type of restriction that we cannot write it above 200, but if our words will increase, our mistakes will automatically increase. So the next thing we need to take care about it is we need to count our words on regular basis. We need to write 4 to 5 paragraphs. When we write first paragraph, we need to count our words, then again with the second, then same continuing with the third and ending with the last paragraph. So what is behind it if we count the words in the beginning? If we have completed our limit, then we'll know that we need to write few of the words in the end. And if we'll count the words at the end, it is going to give us a loss because we'll not be having the time and we'll lose our concentration. We can delete our important bullet point or we can miss our important or maybe useless point. So we need to take care of the word limit, our grammatic errors, and of course the format, that is 3 paragraphs, 4 paragraphs or to maximum 5 paragraphs.